What's up, Larry? Welcome back to Stereo Installs Life, baby. How we doing today?
Doing good, baby.
We're inside this brand new 800 miles on this bad boy, 2023 Subaru Outback Wilderness Edition. Thing is mint, bro. Really good customer of ours, lifelong customer of ours, came in, has some really high-end audiophile equipment that we put in here. The king of today's video is just OEM integration. You're not gonna see a lot of like wow stuff like you get in a lot of our other videos, but it's about simplicity, upgrades, and really integrating it into this car. We have Audison Voce everywhere. So Voce is the line right below Thesis. Premium product. Got some components up front. So in the doors we have 6.5s. In the dash we have the Audison Voce tweeters. In the rear doors you're gonna have Voce coaxials. And then in the hatch we have a Voce 12-inch subwoofer in a ported box. And then below that, hidden, super sweet, the 5-channel Voce amplifier, which is sick, nasty stuff, bro.
Okay.
So the challenging part about this setup, unlike some other setups, you know, there are some cars in the world where it's just bam, in and out, get everything all hooked up. This Subaru setup is a new format from them, and it is connected in every way to the factory system when it comes to like the Bluetooth capability and stuff like that, and the SOS button. So when you're adding different pieces to the puzzle, you have steps you have to kind of go through integrating them. And that was the biggest part of this installation, was integrating each individual piece. Dash tweeters, door speakers, rear door speakers, amplifier, all into this factory setup, which Subaru makes very difficult for us to do. But that's why you come to a place like this. We're the integration kings, we handle it. And now everything in this car is super audiophile, working with the factory head unit. You want to listen to this bad boy?
For sure.
All right. Here's the brass tacks, Lair. Bottom line, if you have a modern car that has this, you know, modern functionality in it, and you're worried about integration, call us. Only one place to go: Stereo Installs, 7507 Tyler Boulevard, Unit B, Mentor, Ohio. You can catch us at 440-525-2001. My extension is #1. My name is David. You can also get us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, on our YouTube channel, all of them at Stereo Installs. And then, as always, this is my homie Larry over here too.
And don't forget to call us 440-525-2001. We're gonna see you here, and we're gonna hook your shit up. It's gonna sound good. Thank you for watching.